We developed a technology that allows people to quantify UV exposure personalized to their skin. And this came up from my personal experience, because I'm a former skin cancer patient, and unfortunately I learned about this dangers of UV exposure too late, and I want people to be warned about this a little bit earlier. So I met our co-founder at one of the IoT events in Berlin. So he is more focused on software, and I'm more on the hardware and also business development. And we also have an advisor who is also part of our team, who helps us with optics technology, and we recently also started working with a senior engineer from Philips with 20 years of experience in skin imaging. We developed a technology that helps you quantify your sun exposure, because we want people to stop guessing how much sun they get, and because overexposure it poses a serious risk for their health in terms of risk of getting skin cancer, and also in terms of having some atypical reactions to the sun, as for example for patients with photosensitivity. Therefore, the idea is to quantify the UV exposure and make it more personalized. So we can give, based on the skin type and skin reaction to the sun, more personalized advice how much this person can spend in the sun, and also the advice to the dermatologist what is the skin condition of this patient. For us, it's very important also to get access to the data, images of the skin, and to be able to include this in our technology. This is very important, and also to have clinical validation of our solution to be used for dermatology clinics. Of course, we would expect further development of our technology, and also validation with dermatologists, and cooperation with Almirall in terms of also having something more like a clinical study, and also of course exposure to the Spanish market, and exposure to the Southern European market, and to the United States. Everybody is excited of moving to Barcelona, and we have actually very specific reasons for that, which is more sunny days, and to be able to test our solution not only under artificial sun. This is what we do in Holland, but it's much better to have real sun. This is of course important. When you develop your MVP, and you really need to first financing, but you really need to be careful with this. You really need to be careful with the first seed investor who comes on board. It should be someone with a really strategic interest and really opportunity to help you build your technology further.